tutorial on my fashion twist. It's a DIY, you guys, and I watched a video from Alisha Williams, and she helped inspire. Here she is with hers, if my ring light isn't in the way, with her actual tutorial on how to do the rubber band method passion twist in installation. So yeah, I really like them. They turned out really well, especially for what I was going through. And at the time that I did my passion twist, I wasn't really feeling the best, but I muddled through it. And she said that it didn't take a long time if you just popped on some movies and maybe binge watch a season of something that you like. I didn't really do that, but I did watch a couple of movies and got on through it. But I was feeling like I probably should have not did them at the time that I did them because I wasn't feeling my best. But like I said, I muddled on through it, and this is the result. So yeah, I'm gonna do a really quick spin and tell you a little bit more about them. So hopefully you can see them, and then I'll probably do another little quick spin this way so you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much how they look. I think they came out really well. I'll talk about like a little bit of a drawback to them really quickly, but I want to show you the actual hair that I used, which I had 3 packs of this expression twisted, like passion twist hair. If I can get this figured out, this whole thing here, and they were $11.99, and so this is what I used here. So actually I used 2 packs, and then from this particular 3rd pack I just used off of this string like about 5 or 6 of them, because they come 10 on a string, and they're crochet looped. So yep, 20 strands, and it was pre-twisted. Now the pre-twist on these, I didn't like the actual twist that they had, so I actually took them loose and did my own twist once I crocheted them in, and I used the handy dandy crochet needle. And also what she recommended in her video, I went out and purchased. The crochet needle wants to fall on the floor. Was the black castor oil African Pride braid lock and twist gel. So I used that, and I like how the consistency of the gel was. It wasn't too thick, and it wasn't too oily. It didn't make my hair really weigh down and heavy. And then to get through the hair, what I noticed, what was helpful, was to use a little bit of foam mousse, and I just kind of changed it up a little bit between them and a little bit of Eco Styler to get down the strand. As I'm twisting, it just helped get down the twist strand a lot smoother and simpler and easier. So I've had them in a couple days, and I've been sleeping with my bonnet on. So I think they look pretty cool. To lay my edges, I just used a little bit of that Eco Styler. Now, one thing I want to share with you guys that I felt like is a drawback is like on this one, you see how my hair kind of comes out of the twist. Well, what I noticed is that because they're twisted in and they kind of set, I just go around and kind of pull them a little bit to lock them back in. And then, let's see, yeah, just take them back into the, and then, oh, okay, so it doesn't want to do it because I'm on camera. Well, so they did really well the other day, and it's still kind of coming back out. But also what I did was just used a little bit more of that African Pride. I think that's what I did on the other ones. Yeah, that's what I did. Because some of them like kind of came loose a little bit. but it's just a nice protective styling. So I noticed that I'm gonna have to go through and possibly do more like that as the days go by. Because I see one here, let's see, but it's very moisturized from the, this is one on the bottom, huh? Who's seeing that one? Not many people. Let's see. So yeah, let's see if I can see it. So that's kind of the only drawback to these, but it's still all in all a nice protective styling or protective style. I don't want to make this too long because I do want to add in some of the footage from me actually installing them while I was sitting in front of the TV, muddling through trying to get well and watching a few movies. So yeah, that's that there. And then if there are any more that are like that, I'll just go through and just kind of fix them. I thought I saw another one. I'll probably have to go through them and find it. But anyway, needless to say, my husband likes them. I like them. And they are not heavy. Oh my God, guys, these things are like light. And then I didn't know that on the pack it actually says that lightweight. So you would think for the amount that I have in here that it's like they're like springy and lightweight, no heaviness. What I did to tie these in was I just have like a little here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but just like a little, I basically took one of my stockings. I had like a fishnet kind of stocking, and I cut it, and then I actually use it for my high puffs when I wear a puff, but I also use it for this. It's just something really easy. It's not tight. My hair is not tight at all. And I use the rubber bands. And what Alisha suggested was that you go in and part your hair off and install all your rubber bands. So I had like all of my rubber bands in all over my head, which was very helpful. Because after that, all you have to do is go in and just crochet the hair in, and it's really simple. So yeah, I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I want to say about them? It'll be a nice, quick, easy style for while I'm off from work for the holidays. Okay, so yep, pretty much that was about all I want to say. Today I'm wearing a cute little sweater. I have it actually on backwards. I think it looks better on me backwards. Here's the tag, and it just bunches up here, and then falls around here, and I really like how it falls. It comes around. So maybe if I vlog a little bit more today, I'll show you guys that. And just have on a t-shirt up under it. And then of course my little Sabika red rose, and some Sabika Swarovski crystal gems, and then my love necklace. So yeah, that's what I'm working with. And then a nice little medium natural makeup look today. Nothing major. So yeah, this was a quick and easy hairstyle. My expression hair was, like I said, only $11.99, and then the African Pride, this was only $5.99, you guys, at my local beauty supply. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. But yeah, so hit that subscribe button if you will, the notification bell. Tell everybody you know that Carla's just vlogging life, and I just did a quick passion twist how-to hair tutorial, and I was inspired by Alisha Williams. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll pop in some video from me installing. All right, see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm just popping in here really quickly. I did not record my process too much, but I am installing Passion Twist, and I'm using the rubber band method, and it's going along pretty easy and pretty quick. It has been a longer process because I am recovering from not feeling well, and I was feeling a little ill, so it's taking me a little longer, but I'm halfway finished, and then I'll check back in with you guys later and show you my progress. So yeah, this is Carla, just vlogging life, and I'm feeling a little bit better. Have a good one. Bye bye.